This video is about of Peregrino Sienes Time, the future chronograph. At the same time, we discuss also about modern method of unit conversion. Okay. Peregrino Sienes Time, the future chronograph, and a modern method of unit conversion. Okay. Peregrino Sienes Time, the future chronograph. Here's the clock illustration. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 10 o'clock. Peregrino Sienes Time clock had only 10 o'clock. 1 is 10 periseconds or 10 periminutes. 2 is 20 periseconds or 20 periminutes. 3 is 30 periseconds or 30 periminutes. 4 is 40 periseconds or 40 periminutes. 5 is 50 periseconds or 50 periminutes. And the 6 is 60. The 7 is 70. The 8 is 80. The 9 is 90. And the 10 is 100. And the time is 6:44:17 Peregrino Sienes Time, or 6 peri-hours, 44 peri-minutes, and 17 peri-seconds. In the Peregrino Sienes Time, the future chronograph, you can easily calculate the time manually or by using calculator. Because the Peregrino Sienes Time, the future chronograph, is decimalized time and metric time. So, in the Peregrino Sienes Time, 100 periseconds is 1 peri-minute, and 100 peri-minutes is 1 peri-hour. So, 1 peri-minute contains of 100 periseconds, and 1 peri-hour contains of 100 peri-minutes. The 1/4 of the Peregrino Sienes Time. Peregrino Sienes Time 1/4. 1/4 is 20 peri-hours. So, the time equivalent, Peregrino Sienes Time to standard time. 1 peri-hour, Peregrino Sienes Time is equal to 1.2 hour standard time. And 1 peri-minute, Peregrino Sienes Time is equal to 0.72 minute standard time. And 1 perisecond, Peregrino Sienes Time is equal to 0.432 second standard time. Now is the time zones. Peregrino Sienes Time, the future chronograph time zones. 0 degrees longitude is 10 o'clock noon. Alas 10 sa tanghaling tapat. Alas 10 sa udtong tutok. 180 degrees longitude wide is 10 o'clock midnight. Alas 10 ng hating gabi. Alas 10 sa tungang gabi. 90 degrees longitude wide is 5 o'clock AM. And the other side of the time zone, 90 degrees longitude wide is 5 o'clock PM. And now, the modern method of unit conversion. Okay. The modern method of unit conversion is speed conversion. Kilometer per minute convert to kilometer per peri-minute, vice versa. And the hour conversion formula. Our conversion formula is 5.2 kilometer per minute is equal to 3.744 kilometer per minute. And our conversion formula to find kilometer per minute is kilometer per minute times 3.744 kilometer per minute over 5.2 kilometer per minute. And to find kilometer per minute is kilometer per minute times 5.2 kilometer per minute over 3.774 kilometer per minute. So exercises. 1 kilometer per minute convert to kilometer per minute. So exercises calculation. Again, to find kilometer per minute is kilometer per minute times 3.744 kilometer per minute over 5.2 kilometer per minute. So down, kilometer per minute, 1 kilometer per minute, again, down, kilometer per minute. 1 kilometer per minute times 3.744 kilometer per minute over 5.2 kilometer per minute. So kilometer per minute over kilometer per minute. So cancel the kilometer per minute and the kilometer per minute remain. Continue. Kilometer per minute. 3.744 kilometer per minute over 5.2. So equals 0.72 kilometer per minute. So 1 kilometer per minute is equal to 0.72 kilometer per minute. And we have now a standard conversion factor. Okay. Another conversion factor is standard conversion factor. 1 kilometer per minute is equal to 0.72 kilometer per minute. And our standard conversion formula is, or to find kilometer per minute is kilometer, again, standard formula. To find kilometer per minute is kilometer per minute times 0.72 kilometer per minute over 1 kilometer per minute. And to find kilometer per minute is, again. And to find kilometer per minute is kilometer per minute times 1 kilometer per minute over 0.72 kilometer per minute. Okay. That's all, and thank you so much.